Hi there, today we're looking at pencil cases. Today we're going to look at how to make these zippered pouches. Using your own fabric stash, you can do seasonal pouches like this one here, which could be used for Christmas, using some coordinated fabric inside. That looks really cute. On the outside, I've just stitched a few little pieces of fabric, and then I've added a little hand-dyed tassel along the bottom. That's what it looks like on the inside. I made this design up using Illustrator. I sent it off to a textile printing company. They actually print out your design on your selected material. This one's done on a canvas type material. You can get all sorts of things printed, and this one, it just arrives as a flat piece of material, and then you put it all together and sew it yourself. That's a way to create some unique patterns. So if you guys would like to know a little bit more about the process and how you do that, just give me a comment below and I'll do a video on that as well. Okay, to get started on making this case, the size of this case is 240 millimeters wide by 145 millimeters high. So you can make the case any size that you like, but I've had my designs printed up to follow this size, and it also fits. The zipper that I use is a birch zipper. It's an 8-inch zipper or 20 centimeter dress zipper. So that size zipper fits this project really well. So just find one that's matching the design of your material. So you'll need one zipper, you'll need a front, you'll need a back to the case, and you'll need 2 pieces of a matching fabric to use on the inside as the lining. I would recommend getting all your pieces of fabric together, cutting them all together, and that way they'll all be the right size. You'll also need a sewing machine, matching cotton, scissors. Well, my favourite is this So Easy ruler cutter. Let's get started. So take one piece of your lining material, make sure it's facing pretty side up. Take your zipper, place it over the top. Just make sure it lines up with your material. Now you can actually use pins here to pin this in place. I like to use these little sewing clips. So I have some of those here. Okay, so you've got this in place. Now what you need to do is get your top piece of fabric, and we need to turn that inside out. So that sits over the top of your material and zipper. And as you can see here, so we're actually going to sew from this top edge all the way down here. If you have a zipper foot on your sewing machine, you can put that one on. Just make sure that you're sewing on this part of the zipper, not on the teeth, and you can actually move the head of the zipper around as you're sewing to make it easier. So let's just get this clipped up and we can sew the first side. Okay, so I've used my little sewing clips and got my zipper holding in place. Now I have actually moved the head of the zipper down to about here, so that just makes it easy to start sewing down this end, and then as I'm sewing down here I can just pull it back that way. So let's start sewing. Okay, so that part is sewn. Okay, next step guys, is to turn this over. We take our other lining piece, we place our already sewn piece on the top and just lining that up. Turn it this way, just lining that lining piece up with the zipper. That. Okay, and now we get our back piece of fabric, and then that goes down here. So again, now we're just going to sew down this side of the zipper, just being careful of the zipper here, and you can see the zipper looks nice and neat there. So that's what we just sewed here. So open this up, bring your lining piece around, flatten this out, and now what we're going to do is sew just a straight stitch down, all the way down here on both sides, and that's just to keep the fabric away from the zipper when we're opening and closing our pouch. So we've sewn our straight stitch down both sides. So this is what it's looking like now. Okay, the next step is we need to open our zipper all the way open. As we're putting our sides together, so we've got our front and the back, and now we want to put the two lining pieces together. So when you're doing this step, just make sure that your zipper teeth is looking like this. So the actual zipper is to get the zipper teeth. It's a little bit tricky, a little bit fiddly. So they've got to be pointing in that way. So we'll just fit that over like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take these sewing clips and I'm going to just clip this around the edge. This side we're going to actually leave about a 10cm gap, so don't sew in this section. You can also mark that with a couple of clips just to remind yourself not to sew in that area. So just stop sewing there and there. This section here, we're actually going to use that to flip your case in the right way, as you can see there. Sew this piece up. Okay, once that's done, guys, flip your lining inside. if you want to finish off your pencil case zipper with a cute little tassel or pom-pom, you can buy these packs of tassels. There's 20 mini tassels in this pack, and this one has 10 pom-poms. I think I found these in a craft shop or a $2 shop, and I believe that Kmart also sells these tassels. So here we go, we're going to put a pom-pom onto our pencil case. Poke the string through the little hole of the zipper like that, and then just grab your pom-pom and just push it through that loop, and there you go, there's your cute finished custom pouch. Thanks for watching, catch you soon, bye!